Konbanwa, minasan. Today we are back with a new video, and this video is hopefully going to be a very interesting one because I've made a good friend in Osaka who also has an S15, and his friend has an AE86, like the Coupe 11, so that's really cool. I went out for a drive with them one night. We ended up in Kobe, and then we went down like the Osaka Loop, which is really sick in person. And I'm currently at the train station because I'm waiting for them to turn up. So I'm about to get picked up, and I'll introduce you very shortly, and hopefully see some real Osaka car scene. Like, not all the glamorous stuff, just pure driving around, meeting up with people, and getting that real essence of JDM car culture in Osaka, not Tokyo. Tonight is going to be a really good one, hopefully, fingers crossed. It's meant to be a Sylvia meet, so we'll see what happens. So here we have it. We've got the lovely S15, which is also spec S, but we're currently waiting at Famima for the keys because unfortunately the keys are locked inside. So we're waiting. Everyone, sashiburi desu. Sashiburi. Really nice little squad. So we'll see how the night goes. So at the moment they're trying to get the keys out the car. I don't really want to film too much, but really nice AE86 Corolla has turned up. We drove out with him before, and it's really, really nice, really clean. Little update. We've been saved. We've been saved. Yokata. It's done. We're going. Thank God. I don't know if you can hear it properly, but it sounds really nice. Sounds good. Quick sound check on the Sylvia. You're very used to this sound, but ikimashou. I've got a gift. Thank you so much. It's very kind of you. It's a traffic safety omamori. Very cool. Arigatou gozaimasu. Looks like we have arrived. Yeah. And there was a still 80 in front. My face is really red because it's quite warm in here, but wow. We're at the Sylvia meet. This is sick. There's a lot of S chassis, a lot of cool JDM cars, very cool. So ignore the red face. It is very cold and it was very hot in the S15, but we're here, very, very happy about it. This is like proper JDM car culture, where it feels like everyone's got their own style. People don't really care if yours is like lowered or like got a body kit on it. It's just if you've got a car and you like the car, just style it your own way and have fun, and that's sick. So we're gonna have a walk around at the cars, see if there's any antics that happen, which I don't think there will be, because people are being sensible. But there's some really cool cars here. There's even an LC500, a GTR, there's SIL 80s, obviously 11 and S15, 180s, Supras, everything. Everything. It looks like there's even a Challenger in Japan, so that's pretty cool. Whoa. Really cool. Underglow, everything. Real, whatever we were on once with Tokyo Drift. Sick. Really nice R34. Really nice S15. This is like one of 2 S15s here. Sounds like people are coming. Really nice 350. Wow. I actually saw this guy the other day when I was driving. Really nice. Really, you like never see these in England. How cool is this 326 power 180? Very cool. I don't know what bumper this is, but it's got the 326 power wing, which is really nice. And then another. This is sick. Obviously we have a Silvia, and then we've got this Supra. Very cool. There's a cat. Whoa. But we have a lovely, is it a GT86? It's a BRZ, but it's on really nice Advans. I think Yuki has these Advans. Very nice. The white on white, very cool. Really like this. Oh, MF Ghost. Another R34 4-door. This is super clean. I actually drove past this guy earlier today. This reminds me of Ronnie. Shout out Ronnie. Here's the 350 with the big wing. Can't really see it in the on the camera, but it's a really nice colour. Really nice colour. Maybe Jared's doing this with his. Nice little wide body. Big old wang. Look at the dish on these wheels. You think it's a rocket bunny maybe? God, there's even more people coming. It's crazy. Another 86 has arrived, and it's a Troino coupe, but the number plate's really sneaky. It's really clean PS13, which is wide body on a really nice kit. Really nice kit. I couldn't tell you where we are. We're somewhere near Yao, which is in like Higashi Osaka. But really nice other S15 has pulled up. So many people racing. Jeez. give you guys some perspective of where we are, literally middle of nowhere in Osaka. So I'll put it up on the map somewhere like here. There's like people filming and stuff, which is really cool. Literally feels like an underground meet, which is what it is. And it's really cool to be able to experience. I think I'm gonna start heading home soon. Really cool to be able to come out and experience just raw car culture in Japan. And honestly, can't thank them enough. The dog's kind of scared of me. I don't know why. But yeah, in the middle of nowhere in Osaka. It's really cold, as you can see. But it's amazing. I would stay here all night. If I had my Sylvia here, I'd be super happy. But hopefully this has given you guys some sort of a taste of what real Japanese car culture is like. It's literally people getting together, what you'd expect, all having a talk. Everyone is sort of just chilling, walking around, enjoying each other's cars and just hanging out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you're new. See you in the next one and stay lucky.